Hello everyone and welcome to Market Ki Baatein. It's a great new day and we see the markets continuing to hold on to the bullish sentiment. And as we are looking at the markets doing well, we are also having a lot of people joining in and what are they going to say for today's question? Every day I have a different question and as people are coming in, let me just wave out to them. Hi Prashant, welcome to Market Ki Baatein. So today's question is once again focused on a different element. Hi Prakash. Hi Showbiz Insta. So what are we going to discuss today is what attracts you more than money. We all are continuously running behind money, and we sometimes believe that yes, money is what we all want in life. So what do you feel? What attracts you more than money? Or is money the number one attraction for you? Hi Akshita. Hi Narayan. Welcome to Market Ki Baatein. And Market Ki Baatein is not just about market, it's about how we get influenced by the what is happening in the market and the way we are chasing. So anyone who wants to come down to the market is always looking to make some additional income for themselves. And in that pursuit, they sometimes forget some important elements which are essential. And that's why I have raised this question as a question for you. So, at what is the kind of thought flow which is happening within you as you hear this question? What attracts you more than money? Could you all buzz me with your answer? Some of the immediate thought flows which I can share with you is whether is it relationship or whether is it to do with fitness or whether is it to fitness or health or whether is it to do with peace of mind. So what is it? What is it that attracts you more than money? What attracts you more than money? We all want to make money from the market, right? But in that pursuit, what are you giving up? And what is it that you want back in your life to bring back that energy, to bring back that zing, so that you know, okay, now I feel a little more energetic. Okay, entrepreneur says peace of mind. Hi, welcome, welcome. So, what about you guys? What do you all feel? This entire discussion can bring in more audience if you all share this live feed with other people out there in your group or wherever, and let's have a good group of people discussing, interacting more than just levels. Market levels are there everywhere, but this kind of interaction, I'm trying to bring some uniqueness in the aftermarket activity. Today Nifty hits a new high. Bank Nifty revives from lower level as I had shared in my YouTube video if you had seen for today. So that's the market discussion. Now I am talking about what you are getting attracted to apart from the money. पैसा तो सबको चाहिए, but is it the only thing you are looking for? Okay, peace of mind is something which is coming up as an important element. Yeah, hi Rupesh. So let me give you my take on this. So what attracts me more than money is my need for maintaining the relationship. As I realized that when I began my journey into the markets, I was not very clear and I was a little unsure about how I'm going to move into this area. But then as I started getting into the whole element of markets, trying to understand it, I realized that yes, market is something which happens between 9:15 and 3:30. How you're able to understand the market actually is beyond that market time, and that's where the relationship process makes a very big difference. So when you talk about relationship, there are two types of relationship. One is a relationship which you have with your own people, and one is a relationship which you have with the external environment, and that's what makes you a very, very calm and collected person. And when I started doing that, I started developing good relationship with my own people because I was able to get some time from the market. So my whole aim of Market Ki Baatein is how is the market influencing various elements of our life. And now I'm seeing that because of market, I'm able to do many things. I'm able to spend some quality time, be COVID or non-COVID, I'm able to spend some quality time. And when I'm interacting in my training workshops with my participants, I'm able to build a different kind of relationship there. And these symbiotic relationship which I'm able to build with my people helps me to grow as a person. I'm able to understand the needs of the people, and that's what has made me a much better person. And I'm able to share my knowledge, I'm able to share my trading skills, my knowledge skills in different ways. And the main reason for that is that I have been able to build a relationship with all my training participants. They are responding, I am speaking to them, I am understanding them. So my level of patience has gone up quite a bit, and also the way I perceive a problem has also changed to a great extent. And all this is possible when you make an effort to build a relationship. And at Chart Advice, me and my team strive to a great extent to keep that relationship going. Even people, even if they are our subscribers or they are not our subscribers, they always have some good word to say about us. And the main reason is that we have inculcated the need for developing a relationship. Even today, many people call us, many people write to us, and the main reason is that we have ensured that there is a good relationship. So my take is that for me, relationship is more important than money. As I participate in the market more and more, I said money, yes, today it will come, tomorrow it will go. But a relationship, if it is lost, it is very difficult to make it back. That's my take. Yes, hi Apurva, hi Aman. So what are you guys thinking about what I have shared? What are you guys telling about what attracts you more than money? Because everyone has got a different perspective. Some of you have said peace of mind, and some of you have not said anything at all. So what do you feel? What attracts you more than money? Or for you, money is the only thing? So what is your take? Some of you are regularly coming down at this time, and some of you are regularly sharing your perspectives too. So I would like you all to comment on the chat window and share your perspective too, because we are here as a dialogue. This is a dialogue, right? It's not a monologue. It's a two-way interaction. So Prashant, what do you have to say? What about you, Rupesh? What is your take on this question? Is money the sole attractor for you? What do you guys feel? Hi, Vivek. Okay, Prashant is on the relationship side. Okay, Rupesh says no for money. So then what is on your mind? Okay, freedom and peace of mind. Very good. So when you talk about freedom, freedom from what? So yes, freedom is something which we all want. Okay, good relationship. That's nice. Okay, hi NDLS. I don't know your name, so I'll have to refer you by your ID. Okay, everyone wants freedom. Good. So freedom can be in many ways. It has got many facets to it. So that's how we need to see the concept of freedom has a different meaning for everyone. And well, freedom is something which we all want. And just to give a clue, I have named my current workshop as 7 Steps to Financial Freedom. So in the same way, everyone wants freedom, and yes, that's what it is. Kapil feels money attracts all relationship, but then money also creates a lot of problem in relationship. Don't you think, Kapil? Money attracts all relationship. That's very true. But then does that relationship continue to hold on, or will it be retain the same quality if money is not there in that equation? That's what is my question. Yes, SEBI will have new rules and they will definitely impact the retail traders. But by the time the whole rule comes out and how it pans out, that's something different, and that is something which we will take up in some other session. But then today's discussion is about how and why and what attracts you more than money. So yes, Kapil feels that money is the ultimate one, while someone else feels that relationship is important, like me. Some people feel that peace of mind is important. So yes, all of us have got different perspectives, and all of us are right at some point or other, and that is what they are attracted to. So today's question was open ended, and well, some people are also attracted to fitness. Yes, money is a main cause. Of course, money is something which we all want. But then money is something, my it's my perspective that money is not my what attracts you more than money. So if you ask me relationship and money, I would first go towards relationship, because money is something which it goes today, it comes back tomorrow. But relationship, if you do not maintain it, it will go away forever. So that's a perspective which each one of us carries. So I'm not imposing any view here. I'm just sharing my view, and I'm also asking you your opinion on how the market is shaping up your thinking. So your thinking can be on market analysis, your thinking can be on usage of tools for market analysis, your thinking can be your personality oriented on the market itself. So the questions vary on different elements, and that's what I come down on this particular forum and share with you. So that's all I wanted to say. If you got any more pointers to share, I would be happy to hear it. Otherwise, we have come to an end of today's session. Okay, I believe that all of you have shared your point on this. If you have any more points on what attracts you more than money, you can share it on the chat box, and I'll be happy to comment on the same if I have any opinion on it. Otherwise, thank you for being online, and we'll see you again tomorrow with another question. You can always join us on our Instagram handle and be connected with all the kind of posts, etc., which we'll continue to share. There will be some market analysis video too which will come, and towards the end of today you could take a look at that and plan your trade action for tomorrow. Thank you for being online. Have a good day. Okay, Prashant says ups and downs of life. Yes, ups and downs of life are very engaging, and they definitely give us a lot of lessons, and lessons are something which one should try and learn. Okay, Rupesh says interaction with the market. Yes, interaction with the market is definitely quite rewarding, because every day we get to learn something new, and along with that, money becomes a byproduct, and that's what keeps the whole cycle going. Thanks everyone for giving your time and being part of this session. I'll catch you again same time tomorrow. Stay tuned. Hi Lalu, we have just come to an end of today's session, but yes, you can always put in your point on what attracts you more than money as part of this chat, so that people can also know before I end this live feed.